first and foremost, sir, kay you need to have heart gyud. Because in law school, mga good sir, dili jud enough nga bright ka. Kinahanglan gid ka mosulod sa classroom nga nagig kay puso. Like labanan jud siya ng puso. Kay there are times nga mosulod ko sa classroom sir nga naka red lipstick lang gid ko and my friends would laugh kay tawag na mga anak kay panis doctrine. Meaning nga na sir wala gid ko nakabasa. So wala
Okay.
gid ko bala ana. Oo. So magpagwapa na lang gid ko sir kay at least bahalag dili na ko katubag basta kay gwapa kay lisod na ning pangit pa jud ko wa pa jud ko nakatubag.
Okay.
And then, I think it has to do with heart. Yun, kay if pugson man gud nimo lang nisulod lang kag law school kay napugos ka, dili nimo siya ma-survive from beginning to end yun.
Uy.
There were a lot of times na I wanted to give up, but I really wanted this. So, ako gid siyang gipanindigan. And that's the number one thing you need to have before ka mosulod sa law school. And for those aspiring pod na mga law students, bar takers, you need to have heart lang yun. Like, salig lang why you started in the first place. And then second, I think would be to trust timing. Because I've had bad timing. Like, di ba, sir?
Yes.
I've had bad timing in my experience. And there are times when we're doing so well, and then there are times that now we're not doing so well. Okay, after all, life is just a wheel, man sad gulong ng palad ramang yun. Pero salig lang gid sa time. And if now is not a time, then maybe it's just a pause for you to reassess your life. Same sa ako, I had to reassess my priorities. And I think lastly, kay, you need to have a good support system. Whatever it may be, it can be your friends, it can be your family. I'm just blessed that I have both. I have a supportive family, I have a supportive husband, I have a group of friends. And overall, it's not just you manggod nga maningkamot. Kinanglan gid kag mga tao nga wind beneath your wings. And then pinaka-last gid sir is faith. Salig lang gid ka. Kaya at the end of the day, there are times nga wala na gid, it's outside of our hands and makulot na lang ka that miracles happen dayon for us. Thank you to my tito who called me into this work. He's just so proud kay third generation of lawyers na karami sa family. Then, na timing mga ang among mga lolos kay mga judges and both pud atong line sa family kay ni pasar pud biduha sa ko ikagaw. So we're also just very grateful for the opportunity. Thank you so much, sir, and have a great night.